Welcome to our video on cloud service types, where we'll explore infrastructure as a service, IaaS, platform as a service, PaaS, and software as a service, SaaS. These services offer unique benefits and use cases for IT students and professionals. Infrastructure as a service, or IaaS, provides virtualized computing resources over the internet. It allows users to rent IT infrastructure like servers and storage, offering flexibility and scalability for businesses needing robust computing power. Platform as a service, or PaaS, offers a cloud-based environment for developing, testing, and deploying applications. It provides tools and services that simplify the development process, making it ideal for developers focusing on building software without managing infrastructure. Software as a service, or SaaS, delivers software applications over the internet on a subscription basis. Users can access these applications from any device, making SaaS a convenient solution for businesses seeking cost-effective and easily accessible software. IaaS is particularly useful for businesses that require high-performance computing resources without investing in physical hardware. It's ideal for startups and enterprises needing to scale their operations quickly and efficiently, adapting to changing demands. PaaS is perfect for developers who want to focus on coding and application development without worrying about underlying infrastructure. It supports collaboration among development teams, streamlining the process of bringing applications from concept to deployment. SaaS is suitable for organizations looking for ready-to-use software solutions that require minimal maintenance. It's beneficial for businesses that need to provide employees with access to essential tools like email, CRM, and collaboration software without extensive IT involvement. In conclusion, understanding the differences between IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS helps IT students and professionals choose the right cloud service for their needs. Each service type offers distinct advantages, catering to various business and development requirements.